This video off with the 14 Sierra. About to give it a bath. As y'all saw last video, I did get brand new 26-inch Yukon Denali replica wheels, along with Denali style 16 through 18 tail lights, and I finally got me a brand new back bumper. But in the meantime, I'm about to go ahead and get this thing a bath, get it all cleaned up, get it all nice and clean, and we're going to head to a car meet later in Houma. So I want y'all to stay tuned for that. Also, about to drop more videos of the 06, about to drop more videos of this thing pretty soon. So next time y'all see this on the channel, hopefully we're going to be heading to the exhaust shop. I will be putting exhaust on this truck, like I said in the last video. Also, the 24s that came off of this truck, I will be installing them on the other truck. So stay tuned to see how that looks. And I'll catch you at the meet. I don't know if y'all can tell on video, but this thing is nasty. All the rain and stuff that we've been having lately. Well, the crew cab is all cleaned up. I need to clean the inside, but I ain't even worrying about that. My one is blacked out. Nobody can see inside anyway. But got Chanel all cleaned up. About to go take me a little cruise, a shower, and go head to the meet. So stay tuned. I like how the color flop. Come on. Look at this. Look at this. You gonna give me 5? Bam! Up high. Up high. Bam! Down low. Ah! Hey, you need some. You need some lighting underneath there. Yeah. Some blue lighting. Look, he gotta show that motor off at night. Bro, this dash is fire. I like that dash a lot. It's gonna be crazy when that truck end up missing from your home one day. Is this brown?
That's like a rose brown, but they're about to be silver coming soon.
Why?
Why? Because this color's old.
You just can't make up your mind?
No, I want a silver first place. I don't know where I fucking did that color.
It look cute like that.
I know, but I want silver.
There you go. Hey, you gotta lay out the Infinity truck.
I want to, trust
Huh?
me.
You got 8 grand? He do.
I want to.
You not about that. They got speakers in this thing? That's your car, huh?
Audi.
Okay. I had one looked at it earlier. Boy, the color of this wrap is fire. I like this color. What up with it? Got the OBS Lord on LTZs. They need to give me an OBS. Mustang on Cosmos wheels. Oh, Chameleon paint job. Your roof carbon. Check the roof up. Got a convertible Corvette. Scat pack. Cammed out truck. Get it fast.
Oh man, you're good, man. You're putting up a video. Most I like to do is like cold air, header. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Cause I mean, it's going back. Next, I'm getting another car. I'm get a drift car.
Any words of wisdom?
No.
No words? No kind words? God.
Slam your shit.
Slam it?
Slam your shit.
Okay.
All day.
Every
Stop
day?
being a pussy.
Mama, what you got?
But I'm
You got a cupcake?
turn it on.
Kim, what kind of cupcake you
You
have?
got a cupcake? What's on yours? Hey, come see. What car out here looks cooler to you?
We didn't look at.
Y'all didn't look at?
Daddy's got a gossip first.
As usual. What's up? As usual.
A
He ain't
little
gonna be right unless she ain't got his mouth. Sound good.
Appreciate it.
Can I have it? I can have it, right? I give you my truck for it.
I ain't lying, this is a nice truck. I do like that truck.
Thank you. It's now yours. We don't swap keys, y'all. Y'all heard it first.
Stuff like that. Looks like your normal little 6-speed motor.
But other than that, do you have like bolt-ons? I mean, I see the intake.
I got headers on it.
Okay.
Inch and 7/8 headers, 3-inch X pipe down to the back's all 3-inch.
Oh yeah. I think.
But if I had to suggest something, I wouldn't go with a Rotofab. I would definitely go with a Ram intake because it comes out the front and pulls air out of here.
How much is it pushing?
Right now, it's only pushing 500. But like I said, I still got stock head, stock throttle body, stock intake. Like if I change all that, I'll be pushing almost 6.
Are you going high ram?
I'm gonna go. I'm actually gonna rod mod that ported.
Oh.
So really, it's gonna look just like it is now. It's just gonna be ported with a different setup inside of it. I was gonna put nitrous on it, but
It's so hard to tune nitrous.
it is.
Why?
Trying to get them on, it was more like.
What else you gonna do? What else you gonna do today?
Full plan is to push 1400 on boost control.
On the Mustang.
Yep. Thing only weighs like 2,900 pounds.
That's light?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Light for an American muscle car.
I always liked this body style Mustang.
Oh yeah. It's my favorite, in my opinion.
Hey, look. Y'all see the sticker, huh? Just know.
I'll flash a light on it. Ow. Man. Need to do a little more wire management, but it's all gonna clean up when I put the coilover plugs because I'm putting on my 2-step kit.
You put this bar here too?
I painted everything in the engine. So all this gunmetal
Oh shit, that is painted. I just noticed that.
and then all the white splatter.
Oh, that's not mud?
Dude, everybody says that. Everybody's like, hey, bro, your under the hood is dirty.
Hey, he popped it. I'm like, what the fuck? In my head, I'm like that.
I know, everybody's like, man, we...
Okay, now, okay, cool.
Yeah, it makes more sense
It's
now.
not a painted now. Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely makes more sense.
Yeah, because everybody's like, man, you got mud. What you drove in? Like, everybody's talking all kinds of noise, and he's like, no, it's painted. And then you look at the horse, you look at the actual Mustang logo, and you can see the paint on it.
See, I didn't even notice that earlier, too.
Yep. So, yeah, the last meet, as a matter of fact, we all were looking at it. Popped the hood, and the guy was like, man, you got all kinds of mud under here, bro. And he's like, let me reiterate again.
Not too crazy.
the harnesses, so I already know what it's gonna be.
Oh, you swapped out the seats?
Yep, no airbags, no stock seat belts, only harnesses. Two 1600 watt 12s in the back, short throw shifter, $120 shift knob. Quick release steering wheel setup.
I spit on J's, man. That's disrespectful.
And hold on. Keep the camera in here and look at the roof. Look at the roof, bro.
Yeah, what you got? Starlights. Okay.
This dude.
Okay.
Plus the digital dash.
You swapped the dash, too?
Yep.
God, this nigga.
There ain't
look,
much he didn't do to this thing.
He ain't playing, huh?
Not even a little bit.
I like Cosmos wheels.
I know, right? People be sleeping on them.
But they expensive, huh?
They are a little pricey. Those are anyway. I've seen some models that are a little cheaper, but those are the nicer ones.
Uh-huh.
So, yeah, those, if I had to estimate, I think a set of those would probably run you right about 2 racks. Give or take.
See, I was just about to say this.
Yep. Yeah.
But they hold up good
They
for the
absolutely do.
horsepower.
Oh, yeah. Because, I mean, I've seen drifting 240s on Cosmos.
Uh-huh.
So, they can hold the power
I
all
just
day.
put these on like last month.
Yeah. I'll say, I know
They
you-
had the machine 5-spoke wheels on it, huh?
It had the out on DS.
DSO5s. Yeah.
Yep. They were actually in my back seats for a little bit.
Oh, my God.
Because I was gonna trade them
That's
for
the wheels that Zach had on his Z for a while.
yeah. That's the same ones that Andre has right there.
Yep. Yeah, no, it sure is. I forgot he had those.
And then
That's a nice set of wheels.
I was gonna trade them for bags,
Oh, really?
and then my manifold ended up being shot.
Oh, yeah.
So I was scammed out of 600.
Scammed out
yeah,
of 600?
Dude left me on red, delivered everything.
Oh, bro.
I gave him 600 for the manifold and everything.
Great. I'm about to pull up. Yeah.
Took the money.
That's fucking. It happens. You live and you learn.
And then when I was like, look, I don't think
this a real Denali?
No, it's a C3.
A C3?
There's only 9,000 of these trucks made.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
I didn't know that.
Platform that the SSs were based off of. Same thing with the Trailblazer SS.
Huh?
I said the SS.
You gonna have to make that happen. Huh? I just paid 24 for it. No, 23. I paid 23 for it. Hey, they 2 days old. They've been on there 2 days, I think. No, since Wednesday. Alright, y'all be safe. I was wondering why I don't see no silver car no more. God, this dude got too much money. What is this, like your fourth field Charger? I'm over here trying to collect shit boxes. He just be switching up charges like it ain't shit. Look, we can trade. We can trade. We can trade. Is this a wrap?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, this the silver car?
Yeah, look.
Oh, I thought that nigga got another car.
Nah, fuck no.
I don't know why I thought I saw you posted a Hellcat.
Uh-uh.
But then when I looked at the hood, I'm like, all right, it's not a Hellcat, but I don't want to sound dumb. I like that rap.
Took my scat back.
I like this rap. It's different.
Still silver.
You ran any ran it lately?
Where the bottle at? The bottle? Huh? I ran it.
Uh huh.
Did I run it?
Like somebody yet?
Oh, nah.
Like recently? I haven't heard nobody racing lately.
Yeah. I ain't ran nobody lately. I was racing before, but then I kind of stopped because I was just getting too many tickets and shit.
You still video?
Like YouTube? Yeah, a little bit. I've been slagging, dog. I got the camera at
Wide body scat. You wouldn't get a scat if you can't get a cat? You gonna spend the money, you gonna get what you want. See if he take off. Oh nah, he going the other way.